Radhikeshan here and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am going to be giving you a sum up and I'm going to be telling you everything that we know so far about the very extremely hyped OnePlus Nord. So the OnePlus Nord is basically OnePlus's next phone. Now this phone isn't supposed to be a flagship, but it is supposed to be a mid-ranger more towards the budget side. Now the main highlight of this phone is definitely its camera. This phone is extremely hyped and people are extremely excited about it, which I think is a little bit overdone. But anyways, talking about its main highlight, the camera. It will have a quad camera setup at the back, which will mostly include a wide, an ultra wide, a macro and a depth camera. As per me, I think only the wide and ultra wide are the useful ones. The macro and the depth are just for showing and just for making it a quad camera setup. Mostly on the front we will have a punch hole camera, which is confirmed by OnePlus. In the front we'll have a wide and an ultra wide selfie camera as well. The cameras will look pretty good and they'll mostly have Sony sensors, but they might also have the Samsung ones. The phone is supposed to come out on the 21st of July this year 2020. Now the next big thing about this phone is definitely its display. So a couple of months ago or maybe even a year ago, we had heard from OnePlus that they will not be giving 60Hz anymore in their displays. They will always be having a 90 or a 120Hz refresh rate in any of their displays. So as I think, since it is a mid-ranger, it will have a 90Hz refresh rate. Obviously it will be 4K supportable, Full HD plus a Super AMOLED display. Now the phone and the AMOLED display will be punched together. So this is new technology where the screen is punched right into the phone. This is currently done only in flagships, but as we've seen from the ads that they've been giving us, this is definitely going to be a thing of the OnePlus Nord. Now, OnePlus has been giving us these little tweaks as to the story of how this phone has come about. We've had this brand new documentary, which you will see up in the top right. This documentary has been made, and the OnePlus Nord is basically taking OnePlus back to its roots, where the company was first started by Pete Lau. The phone will be a mid-ranger as I told you, and all of the specs on the sheets are looking very good. This phone is especially made for the Indian markets, and in India this phone will start with a base variant of about 6GB RAM. It will be costed at 25,000 rupees, which is very good for its specs. However, when you go to countries like Europe, even though it's not a country, but if you go to Europe, then the phone will be a little bit more priced and its base model probably won't be the 6GB variant, but it will be the 8GB variant. And that will cost here in India about 30,000 rupees or about 500 USD, as OnePlus has been aiming to do. OnePlus, the brand, is very good and the phone will offer that level of build quality. I hope they have the Interstellar Glow color option, but we've already seen the purplish pink color in one of their ads. OnePlus has really been showing us a rewind story as to how this phone came about. This phone will most probably come with the Snapdragon 765 processor, which is a little bit of a flagship type thing more than a mid-range processor. The phone, we have seen its detail box and it will be on your screen right now. These are some leaks that we have got from Amazon. This phone will, as it seems, be an Amazon Specials. The event where this phone will be launched is on 21st of July, which is exactly 12 days from when I'm recording this video. The event will be completely online and will mostly be streamed on YouTube, so you can check it out right there. We've seen a lot of photos, a lot of videos, a lot of prototypes of this phone, but most of it is now confirmed, as we've seen in one of the videos. The phone's camera will indeed include OIS or image stabilization. The phone will obviously be a glass back and will have a very good and attractive look. So that was my thoughts on the OnePlus Nord. I hope you liked the video. I believe personally that the OnePlus Nord will be an absolute market flagship as well as mid-range killer. Most people will buy it and the phone looks to be extremely good. The hype generated is definitely worth it for the phone. That was it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please hit the like button down below. If you really liked it, please subscribe to the channel. This is Eradication signing off. I'll see you next time. I hope you have a good day. Goodbye.